Oh man, what an awesome day. I hope it keeps up like this. I should have just kept my mouth shut. Stupid ironic weather! Oh, this should work. And I hope the rain stops in time for me to watch Caveman Detective. Hello? Anyone in here? Yep, figures this cave would be full of danger. Oh boy. What happened to you guys? You look terrible. Here, I've got something that might help you guys out. How's that? Better? Oh, that's great. Well then, mind telling me why you got beat up in the first place? Oh, your son's in there, isn't it? Well, then why don't I go look for it? I've got nothing better to do anyway. Guys hear that? Demon birds. Watch out, guys! Oh, hopefully that'll scare them into not coming back for a while. Come on, let's keep going. Well, we found the little guy. That's neat. Something's weird. Why are you huddling against a wall like that? Are you afraid of something? I'm going to take a wager and say that what landed behind me isn't Santa Claus. Yeah, definitely not Santa. Ooh, you ugly. All right, you want some? Yeah! Dang, you must drink your milk. I didn't mean literally. All right, time for the big clubs. Thanks. Man, this demon bird sure is a real menace! But we can beat him! Alright guys, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Yeah! 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 I got you! Bad! 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 Whoa! Well, it looks like in all that excitement, the rain stopped. Great! Now I might be able to get home in time before Caveman Detective's new episode airs. See ya, guys! Oh, come on!